Hi legends, Bitcoin on the larger time frames does not look good. It looks like we made a lower high and potentially we're going to find momentum here to the downside. But there's still a little bit of hope. I will go and analyze the price of Bitcoin here quickly on the macro to show you why everyone is so bearish at the moment and perhaps share a glimmer of hope of what needs to happen and important levels that needs to hold for still bullish momentum continuation here to the upside. Remember, down in the description, here are the exchanges that I use to do my daily trading. The first link under exchanges is Bluffin, no KYC required. Go sign up and come and trade with me. And then also first link down in the description is to come and join our Legends trading community. Here you can see inside of Discord last week, I told the members I'm going to attempt a small long over here and I do spot some local bullish CVD. And that is when price was trading over here, right? And I said, I'm interested in this zone over here between the 618 and the 786. And that is exactly what happened, okay? And then I kept the community informed, and this was basically the trading setup where I said, guys, okay, I've entered over here, I've protected my position, TP1, TP2, TP3, and this trade actually played out to perfection where we came to tap the 0.618 after which the trade was closed. So a lot of community members here taking this trade successfully here to the upside. Also a lot of alpha being shared over here. I've given some analysis here on ADA, on Mina protocol. I've shared some analysis here on all dinosaur coin, Litecoin, and what I see here for the potential to have upwards momentum. Also shared some macro Elliott Wave count analysis here on Link and also Solana this morning. So quite a lot of alpha that gets dropped into this community that I don't always share here on the YouTube channel. Let's go and analyze the price of Bitcoin together. Right, legends, just highlighting the obvious over here, taking a parallel channel, you can see that we've tapped the middle of the channel. We had a deviation below, we found acceptance back inside, and we rejected here by the 50% parallel channel line. Also, when you take a fib from the low, from the highs over here to the low, we also rejected by the 618 level. And then also what looks bearish over here is that we've lost the range, okay, the value area high and the value area low. What you would like to see is acceptance hold inside of this range like we did over here. As soon as you get acceptance back below, you come and tap the bottom. And as soon as you have a deviation below and you get acceptance back above, you want to see us tap the top. Now, we had a massive deviation to the downside, and now we have rejected here by the value area low of this entire range. And currently, we are finding some downwards continuation, which increases probabilities from most trading perspectives that you are going to come and claim the low here once again at $48,800. Legends, let's zoom into the smaller time frames and go and analyze the price action and see, well, is there still hope, okay, for us to come make a lower high for continuation back inside the range. Looking at Bitcoin here on the 1 hour time frame, so far, legends, this structure, okay, does not look good because it looks like we're making a three-wave upward structure here and we are going to come and claim this low again. So basically, looking at the structure at the moment, you can see a 1, 2, 3. Where is the fifth wave? You want to see a 4 and a 5 here to the upside. But now we have also tapped the 0.618, which in most Elliott Wave scenarios is that when you take a fib from this low over here to the high, okay, we have tapped the 0.618 here, just taking the brushes out so everyone can see. We have tapped the 0.618 to perfection. Okay, from an Elliott Wave perspective, that usually invalidates that this is a fourth wave because the fourth wave has a maximum target of the 0.5 and the 382 over here. So you really wanted to see us find support here, complete the fifth wave, and then have a correction here to the downside. And now we have tapped the 0.618. So the one scenario that I'm still keeping an eye on in this structure over here, there is still a possibility for a 112 combo here to the upside. Because when you take a fib extension here from the low to the high that we've made over here, and I'm counting this pivot over here because this is an ABC flat here to the downside to the low, you can see that we have tapped the 1-to-1 extension over here, okay, which tells me that this can definitely be the formation of a 112 combo here to the upside where we have 1, 2, 1, 2, and an explosive third wave here to the upside, which is actually more bullish than just having a fifth wave and then a deeper correction. Okay, so definitely still a chance for us with this momentum that we have over here to find support here by the 618 and find continuation here to the upside to come and claim the high once again. If this is indeed a double 1-2-1-2 combo, we can actually still come down a little bit lower. So legends, the one thing that I'm still keeping an eye on over here, looking at this structure, okay, we could potentially count a 1, 2, 3, and we are going to make a lower high to form the fourth wave for continuation here to the downside to come and complete a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I would like to see for this fifth wave to end over here, not surpassing the 0.786 fib level over here of $56,279. Because if you're expecting a 1, 2, 1, 2 over here, the second wave, this second wave over here has a maximum target at the 786 at $56,280, give or take. So there is still a chance, legends, if we do come up here and we make a lower high and we find continuation to the downside, okay, there is still a glimmer of hope that this level needs to hold for a 1, 2, 1, 2 and a massive third explosive wave here to the upside. But this is basically the invalidation for this scenario. We have to acknowledge that we have found support by the 0.618, okay, which is definitely a bouncing area. Like we front run the 382 level over here. Now we've actually tapped a nice proper fib level over here. So definitely a possibility from where we've tapped this fib over here to find strength here to the upside and go and claim the local high over here at $62,600. So definitely not impossible for us to go and claim the high from where we are now, and then we'll observe the price reaction when we get here. Are we going to SFP to find lower continuation to the downside, or are we going to find the strength to break through here? And what I would like to see in this price action over here as we move here to the upside is continuous bullish CVD building on the lower time frames like the 3-minute and 5-minute time frame. Also, when I switch on some weekly and daily levels, you can see exactly where we got the bounce at the moment. This morning in our Legends live stream, we were trading over here before we had the dump to the downside, and I told the Legends, if we fall down here, here and we tap the 0.618 and we get acceptance back above this weekly, we could be seeing some continued bullish momentum here to the upside. And together with the Legends this morning, we observed the price action over here, and we got a nice little 15-minute, 1-hour candle close above the weekly level, which for now could give us a little bit of upwards momentum. But like I've highlighted, we could still come up here, okay, reject by this daily level, make once again a lower high over here, and then hopefully find support here by the lowest level at the 786 at $52,280, where you want to see a bounce here to the upside for continuation, losing the 786 level over here, and we're going to start tapping the 0.8 at $55,500. We increase the probabilities that this is an ABC, and we are going to start building momentum here to the downside to potentially come and claim this low once again. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy the alpha, smash up the like, hit subscribe if you're not already subscribed for future notifications, and until the next one, cheers for now.